Hey YouTubers, today we're going to be bending PVC by heating up sand. Today on Cooking with Sand, we're at 350. We have two pans. The sand is coming out just lovely, lovely I say. We're bending our PVC with hot sand, i.e. cooking with sand. We put the sand in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. There's many of videos on YouTube, plenty of good ones. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing here. Now I've determined that our propane tank is the same width as the garden boxes. So I get to cheat, which is amazing. That way I don't have to build another jig. You may have to build something. I lost a little bit in the end. Oh, and wonderful. So we don't want our sand to cool off too much. This is working well. So our PVC will start to get pliable.
Bendy.
Won't take too long. And all I'm going to do is set it over my propane tank. And as it heats up, the PVC, it should just bend it right over. To see if our spaghetti's ready, we throw it against the wall to see if it sticks. Spaghetti's not ready yet. We'll have to come back to it. On today's episode of Cooking with Sand, we didn't like the results of our 350 temperature, so we are kicking it up to 450. And yes, our sand is rising beautifully. Please be enough. All right. You got cap? Hold on. Do not leave the funnel in the hot sand. All right. It's hot. Here. Let's not burn you.
Yeah.
All right. Like I said, we are cooking with sand, and our spaghetti can be turned into pretzels and everything else. All right. But here's the end result. I'm gonna go drain the sand out, and we've got 4 more to do. After that, we'll start our assembly. Thanks everyone for watching this video. We have upcoming videos where we're gonna finish our cold frames, build a shoe rack, and plant some seeds. See you next time.